Hey, what's up guys? Jose here at shredded.com. In today's video, I'm reviewing the Iron Tib Bar by Freak Athlete Essentials. Now these have become very popular thanks to the knees over toes guy who recommends them for his knee pain programs. The reason you want to use these is because they're going to help you to strengthen the tibialis anterior muscle right on top of the shin bone. Why would you want to train that muscle? Well, you want to strengthen every muscle in your body, but the main reason for that is because that muscle is what helps you to decelerate whenever your heel is striking the ground. So people that are long distance walkers, runners, sprinters, jumpers, anytime your heel is striking the ground, the tibialis anterior muscle is helping you to decelerate. So the stronger that muscle is, the less forces are going to go up from your foot into the rest of the kinetic chain. So the stronger it is, the more forces you're going to able to absorb without getting yourself hurt, basically. So let's talk about the bar here. The bar is solid. It's all metal. So it's not PVC like other bars out there. It's all metal, weighs about 5.5 pounds, and it's a simple design. You have a loading bar here. This right here is the loading bar. It's a 2-inch loading bar. You have an end cap here, plastic end cap. So it's going to fit Olympic-sized weight plates only. It's not going to fit standard weight plates. You also have a weight clamp. The weight clamp is just a simple 2-inch weight clamp. It comes included with the purchase of this. And then the loading bar here is 8 3/4 inches long. You have the foam pads here. This is where the top of your foot is going to go here on the foam pads. And these foam pads are about 1 inch in thickness. As far as the width of the foam pads, are about 4 1/4 inches in width. And then you have a bar here on the bottom. This is where the heel of your foot or the bottom of your foot is going to sit. So the way you insert your foot is it goes like this. The top of your foot is against the pad. The bottom of your foot is going to go up against this horizontal bar here. So loading it up is very simple. You throw a weight plate on here, throw your clamp, lock it down in place, insert your foot. Then you're going to sit down on a bench, back up so that your feet are hanging off the bench. And all you're going to be doing afterwards is just pointing your feet down and then pointing the feet back up as far back as you can. And that's the whole exercise. That's what the tibialis anterior muscles is doing, is just pointing the foot down, bringing it back up. Simple as that. Now, as far as this design, I like the design. It's all metal. There's nothing to attach when you get it. And it's pretty straightforward. I think the weakest link here would be the foam pads. But other than that, this is all metal, so this is not going to break. Now, when you compare this to other competitors in the market, there's two major brands out there. HGG Performance, which used to be the home gym guys. They sell a metal Tib Bar, beautiful bar, for about $160. I think it's 219 Australian dollars, which equates to about 160 US dollars. But because they're in Australia, you also have to pay for the international shipping, which is going to be expensive. So you're paying at least 160 bucks for that bar. When you compare it to this one, this is all metal at 49 bucks plus shipping. Now there's another guy that sells the Tib Bars. That one's called the Tib Bar Guy. He sells one that's made of PVC for $99 plus shipping. And then he has the Tib Bar Pro, which is $149 plus shipping. So this one at 49 bucks is definitely the cheapest alternative I've seen out there for the same quality type of material. This is all metal. They also have all metal pieces in their equipment. Now, as far as the pros and cons, this is all metal. So it's going to be very, very durable. It's going to last you a long time. As I said, the weakest link would be the foam pads. Other than that, everything else is made out of metal. This is portable. It's small, so it's not going to take up a lot of room. So if you want to travel with it, you can. It's also comfortable. The padding here is about 1 inch in thickness, so it feels comfortable on the foot, on each foot. And other than that, the price would be the best part about this, I would say. If you're looking into buying one of these at 49 bucks plus shipping, you're not going to find anything as cheap as this for a metal Tib Bar. That's my review on the Iron Tib Bar by Freak Athlete Essentials. At 49 bucks, you're not going to find a cheaper metal Tib Bar that's this quality. If you want to check it out, I'll leave a link below this video. That link is shredded.com/Iron Tib Bar. In the meantime, if you like the information in this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Leave me your comments and questions down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the latest uploads. And for more home gym equipment reviews and discounts, make sure you visit my website, shredded.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.